Hello, my name is William Wu, and I am a junior from Rancho Cucamonga High School. The project I created is called CRATER, which stands for Cognitive Roadway Anomaly Tracking and Evaluation Resource. And the overall goal for the project is to be able to detect and plan pothole mitigation autonomously for cities. For some background information, each year in the United States, potholes cause over $26.5 billion in damages, which is more than NASA's entire annual budget. So, taking this into account, the target audience is going to be cities to help them maintain their infrastructure better. And basically, what this app does is we're going to be using AI to detect for potholes and then also data analytics to help plan efficient repair routes that help save time and money. So let's take a quick look into what this app actually does. Here I have it downloaded on my phone, and when I open it up, I have a home page here, as you can see. And of course, the AI model that we're going to be using is custom trained by me. And so you can see that I'm going to open up the detection system, and when I start the camera, I'm able to point it at the image of a pothole. In this case, I'm not going to go on an actual road, but you can see that it's able to detect the pothole using my custom trained AI model. And when I focus it back on the pothole, it's drawing a bounding box over it. And right now I have GPS denied, but when GPS is on, it's able to automatically log the potholes into a CSV file. And I could also look at the work routes of where all the potholes are located. So here are some potholes that I already have saved from my SQL database. I could change the route colors. I could view each of these potholes, all the information regarding them, and I can mark them as filled if I want. Okay, so right here I have the web app version of CRATER, and here is a lot of simulated data, which kind of shows what happens when cities are able to implement the app on a wide scale for detection. Finally, here's all the code that I used to actually code the app. So first is server.py. It's a Flash server that I use to implement all of the API endpoints and the logistics behind everything. Here are my HTML templates that I have for website design. And I have cluster.py, which is a custom algorithm I wrote to plan optimal repair routes using algorithms such as dbScan and the greedy algorithm. And finally, here are some CSV files that kind of organize all the pothole locations that I got. And can't forget PWA, which basically allows this originally designed web app to be able to be compatible with mobile. And here is some documentation I wrote for all the files. So feel free to pause and take a closer look.